Congratulations, you have finished the interiors of your lake houses! And now your living rooms and your decks, they're done. We can't wait to see them.
I'm gonna look for the floor plan first and how cohesive it is.
Taylor and Merdad have a Japanese-inspired space.
Let me see this.
Yes.
Ooh, okay. I love texture. I like when somebody does a feature wall that is not just paint. In a lake house, you want to bring the eye out and you want to bring the eye up. And they've done both. This is just beautiful and serene. I love the fact that they brought that modern look from in here, out here.
This is pretty sick.
I mean, it looks like a postcard. It's so gorgeous.
Oh, wow, here we go.
Love this shower.
Look at this, you can surprise the neighbors.
It's a shower and a shower.
Yeah.
There's a hot tub, there's a cold plunge, and the shower. You get the whole thermal circuit.
So this is a wellness retreat.
Let's go have a look at Marcy and Melissa. This is Driftwood Dunes.
Driftwood Dunes. Ooh, I love this.
It's different, isn't it? This detail roped me in quickly.
Cool art piece, cool focal point. I love this idea. I'm stealing this idea. I love a mantle. Got this skim coat so it looks like limestone.
Unbelievable.
Oh, this is cool.
Look at this, it got a menu. That's
Family
cute.
pizza night.
Oh, because they got the pizza maker right here.
This is
too.
really sweet. Ooh, okay. I mean, this is like a magazine moment. I love the pops of blue. I love the stripes.
They have a very calm, relaxed vibe.
You don't belong here, Brian.
I need to go.
Off of that.
Prepare yourself for Coral Cove.
Whoa. Wow, color splash.
I'm loving that they did these framed out picture boxes on the wall.
yes.
I think that elevates the look. Yes, there's palm trees, but it's subtle. And I think their furniture in here is just great.
Does this remind you of like your resort?
It's got a high-end hospitality feel.
Yeah.
There we are.
Look at the deck.
Wow. An elevated seating area so you can enjoy the view. The design is so specific. It's absolutely leaning into it and taking advantage of every square inch of the space. This is cool.
This is very
This is
cool.
very, very.
Oh, I love this.
They've created a whole new moment down here.
Now, Liz makes these signs herself. Is this beach, please? Or
Yeah, it's
beach,
like-
please?
Like that.
They've definitely set the bar. Cedar Shore.
Cedar
Cedar Shore.
Great West Coast vibe in here.
It does feel very like Malibu.
Have a look at the TV. Welcome
Picture
to
frame.
Cedar Shore, Scott and Bryan. Unbelievable. The stone goes to the ceiling.
Very impressive stonework.
They've put in these faux trusses.
Great detail.
Oh my gosh, the amount of work on that ceiling alone
Yeah.
is outrageous. This is very calm and very sophisticated looking dining setup here. So from the primary, you can walk right out to the patio. It's a nice little upgrade.
God, this is nice.
I like the sports setup back there. I see the life jackets. I see the fishing gear. You can tell that Tatiana and Thomas dominate in the guest experience space.
Yeah,
But there's a lot to consider. We got the biggest room, the living room, the decks, which are huge.
I already know.
Oh.
You already know?
Yeah.
I'm slightly on the fence, so if you two both have a different option, that might be the deciding factor.